So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So generative AI has actually made things really easy and very faster for us now in the tech space. So we are actually going to transform this particular video to this particular video you see over here by changing or giving it a fake background. So we are actually going straight into our browser and then get the images that we did for this particular tutorial. So guys, let's get right into the video. So there's one particular AI tool, which is the Leonardo.Ai, which you are going to use to create that particular fake background you see over here. So let's head onto the website, and it's Leonardo.Ai. So you go to the website and then you select, and then once you are on their website, all you need to do is to create a new account, and then you must make sure that your video, it's actually still, it's not moving, it's not shaky, because when you are going to change the background, it's going to be a little bit dicey. So you need to make sure everything is in place. So let's create the account by hitting create account. Then you can enter your email and password over here, but let's use Google to do what? Create it straightforward, and then from there we know that we are good to go. So there's some permissions we need to, so let's use this particular email you see over here. Okay, so once you are in, you first of all need to pick a username. So let's pick a username. Let's say Lezcano Tech, the name of the channel, and then over here, what are your interests? So you are going to select what suits your channel. If it's an advert you are doing, it's an art, or it's a product design that you want, you select, and then you confirm whether you are above 18 years old. So I'll take the stock image, education, and then interior design, and then let's confirm that yes, truly we are above 18. Okay, we have an error over here. It says username is already taken, so let's say Lezcano Tech Tips. Let's wait for it to be verified. So if you used a name that was being used, has already been used by someone, all you need to do is to do what? Change the name to a different name, and then your username will be available for you. So let's create this particular account, and then you can go on to read more of this, but for this particular purpose we are going to say maybe later. So right now, here is the dashboard. Here is where you are going to create what's that particular background that you want for the video. So if it's an image generation you want, you click image generation. If it's a reality canvas, a real-time canvas, you generate. If it is a canvas editor, you do so. They have multiple over here, and then you will see there's amount of money, which is e-money over here, which is 150 coins you have over here. So by default, this is the amount you have to enable you to do what? Generate each and every image you pick from here. So once you generate this amount of money over here, needs to do what? Help you do what? Generate. If you need more images and then you think this particular amount won't be enough, what you need to do is to upgrade, but it always upgrade every 24 hours, so you can use it, and when you come back, there's another one over here for you that you can reuse to generate whatever you want to generate. That is Leonardo.Ai for you. So let's go to image generation, and this is where we generate our image. So here you need to give it a prompt, so you need to type a prompt. So let's give it this particular prompt over here, and then set the ratio dimension, so we get a landscape size of what image that we want. So let's do the 16 by 9, and then this is the generate button. So you have to do what? Click generate, and it's going to generate the images for you. You click the generate button, and it's going to generate the images for you over here. So let's wait for it to generate these 4 images is about generating for us. So you see it generated the first one. So from here you have to select or choose whichever image suits your content you want to do what create based on the prompts that you gave it to follow suit to generate or give you this beautiful artifacts you see on the screen. So let's go forward and then download this particular one. I want us to use this. Alright, so it has been saved. Then all we need to do is to head on to Canvas. Okay, so from there let's use Canvas and then make sure we are doing what's following the thumbnail standard of what of the YouTube channel. So let's go and then create a new design and then YouTube thumbnail, and then what we need to do is to do what import the image. So let's go and then do what upload the files over here. Let's go to downloads, and this is the image you see over here. So all you need to do is just do what drag and drop it on the thumbnail. So you will see the size of it is very small, so it's not going to fit the screen, the background screen that you want to create for your video. So all we need to do is to stretch it a little bit to fit the YouTube standard thumbnail. So yes, there we go. This is perfect. You can add some final touches to it and then tilt it a little bit to suit what you want to do. So let's go ahead and then download it. Let's save it to desktop. So voila, it has been saved. So let's go into our CapCut and then let's create a new project. So inside your CapCut, you are going to import this image you actually created from the Canvas studio, and then import the video which you want to do change the background color or background screen for. So wherever it's located, all you need to do is to make sure you go and do what, select it. So guys, we are here. So once the videos are imported over here, now it's time to do what, make the magic happen. So let's drag the video in over here, and then so after importing the video here into the workspace, now we need to take what, this background off. The background over here is what we are taking off. So let's go to remove and let's go to auto remover by selecting it and let it process and take away the background we see over here. So let's give it some time. Okay, so guys, we have finally taken away the background over here. So all we need to do now is to use a particular generative AI we generated from Leonardo.AI to the workspace, so we will be able to do change the background from this dark color to this. So let's import this particular background over here, which is going to be here, and then I want us to blur the background a little bit. So let's go to effect and blur the image. Okay, so let's use this rather instead. Now let's decrease the blurriness a little bit to fit. Yes, okay. So I think this okay, the blurriness over here is okay. So now all we need to do is to do what, put this particular image below the video, so we'll be able to do what. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, so this is okay. So there we have it. I want us to give it a special effect. Let's see if we can give it some nice effects. Let's see. So over here you can change the to whichever effect you want. So I think that natural one is okay. So guys, let's play the video and see if it's okay. So yeah guys, there you have it. Okay, after, all you need to do is to export this particular image. So let's export it. Let's give it fake bg, fake background, and let's export. So guys, thank you for watching this particular video. Don't forget to hit the like button as a help YouTube to recommend this video to other audience. Please do so by helping this channel. Thank you for watching, and then see you in the next video. Bye.